friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I have a really special video for you guys. We are going to tour my mom's house. Now my mom has been in her new home for about 4 or 5 months at this point, and I happened to share just a small little clip of her back porch the other day and you guys loved it. I had a lot of you ask, can we see the rest of her house? So I thought, you know what, that would be a fun video. I thought this would just be a really fun, kind of casual, relaxed look inside her home. You can see how her style compares to mine. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you guys think as far as our styles go, if they're similar, if they're not. My mom loves color. She loves golds, and you'll see that throughout her home. And I would definitely say she goes for more of like a rustic country farmhouse look that is super cozy. That's one thing for sure. I remember as I was growing up, home always felt like a big warm hug. She has just such a gift at making spaces feel warm and cozy, so I'm excited to share. And like I said, they've only been in this house for a few months, so maybe as time goes on, we'll have to share updates. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at my mom's house.